I think the trees you see with the white flowers, I think those are dogwoods that are in bloom right now. Can't tell for sure. You have to get up real close. When you get up close, you can tell they're dogwoods by their bark. Getting close to our mystery spot, Boston. We are going in the back way. Okay, what's going on, guys and girls? I am near Boston. Took the back way here. Check out the money up there, huh? Up on the hill. Custom built hill, maybe? Yeah, Davis General Store. Since 1928. Well, we'll check that out on the way back. Get us something to drink. Let's go to actual center of Boston where I'm wanting to see something. And then we'll come back over here and grab a snack. I didn't know Boston was so quiet. Very peaceful. You expect someplace like Boston to be like busy, you know, people everywhere. This bike does so well on road trips. We already are downtown Boston. Well, there you go. Find a place to turn around up here and head back to that store. See if we can find out why it's called Boston. Boston. Back there is Sparkman Cemetery Road at a historic marker. Historic markers are like perpendicular to the roadway. Excuse me. We'll ride this way till we find a decent place to turn around. This is a busy road despite what you see right now. Oh, it's not even a road, is it? I'll have to look up that cemetery sign, or that historic sign.